Good morning, drama. Ready to eat. She drank her water. Good girl. Gotta get you fed, girl. You ready to eat? Are you ready to eat? I thought I fed you once yesterday, but it was a lot. So I think you're okay. eat all your food. If you don't make a mess, I'm not joking. Don't make a mess. Unless you're gonna clean it up yourself. So there's nothing wrong with making a mess if you're gonna clean it. So good. Delicious. That was lemon juice I used. I think I'm gonna finish my water first. For my lunch, I'm doing my leftover. I'm gonna prepare, I guess, a wrap of some sort. If I can get it open. Anyway, try the other side. That's the leftover scramble that I had. It's really a brunch. I only ate half of it. My daughter didn't get the other half. I kept it. And we're going to use some flat out bread. This particular one has 7 grams of protein, high in fiber, and it's only really 90 calories a wrap. But I don't know if I'm going to do a full one or half of one. It all depends on how much room this takes up. And I'm going to add some more of my favorite, fresh arugula and sriracha. Something else. I think maybe some red onions. Yeah, that's my breakfast. Well, in the scramble, I don't want to make my flat bread soggy, and I'm only doing half. If I have anything extra, I just add to the side of it. That's Tokyo. Then I pull my screen down. And I heated this up in the microwave about 2 minutes. It's just nice and warm. I'm going to add it. Hopefully it's warm enough, because I don't want to re-add it. Then I don't want it too hot. I'm going to place it. And this mixture is about with everything in it that I cooked. And for those that didn't watch the previous video, what's in the scramble is ground turkey. No, turkey sausage. Asparagus, spinach, onion, bell pepper. Cooked with a little bit of olive oil. And 1 slice of Munster cheese. And that's it. That's what's in the mixture. The scramble, rather. Here you have it. That's my breakfast. Happy Easter. I'm headed out to find a Easter lily for my mama. If I can find one. I shouldn't wait till the last minute, but I did. Because I really didn't have any plans. I'm usually working on Sunday. But I'm going to give you we'll show you quick. Not an outfit of the day, but just what I have on. You can see most of it. Some plaid pants. And the pants are cuffed at the bottom. Yep, that's what I'm wearing. So I'm gonna go try and find an Easter lily. Maybe some candy for my grandkids, but I can't find candy. I don't know. Just got back home. I didn't plan on being gone that long. So I found a flower for my mom and a card. I took my grandchildren a cake for dessert. My son cooked a big dinner at his house. He did turkey wings in the oven, chicken, collard greens, candy yams. So I brought them dessert. And then in the midst of me going over to my mom's, she was having Sunday dinner for like the whole family. She had a table set, a turkey on the table, collard greens, dressing, cranberry sauce. And I'm like, I thought we weren't doing dinner. She was like, but it's Easter. I'm like, and you didn't say you were having Sunday dinner this Sunday. So, but yes, I just left from over there with Sunday dinner. And yes, I did eat collard greens, macaroni and cheese, potato salad. And I tasted some banana pudding. I don't miss it. But I enjoyed the company. It was good. All of it was really, really good. But now I'm home for the rest of the evening until whatever. Oh, there. Ain't they cute? They're just so cute. I'm supposed to give her, she's supposed to get a bath today, BB. But I might wait till tomorrow because I feel like I want to get out of my clothes and put on my yoga pants and relax for the evening. But I didn't overeat though. I only had one serving of each, like a taste. But yeah, it was really good. Really, 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 really good. So I'm gonna get ready to do. My plan was not to do anything, but my sister called and she needs some more meal preps. So I'm gonna do a quick one for maybe about a day or two. I don't know, however much she chooses to eat it. So I'm gonna do some broccoli cuts, and I have a small bag of, a small amount of shrimp now, jumbo raw. I'm gonna do just about maybe 4 ounces. I don't know, but I'm gonna do some shrimp and some, so I'm gonna do some chicken tenderloin. I'm gonna saute them, and some shrimp, broccoli, and probably some asparagus for her, and she'll have that for later this evening. So I guess I won't just be sitting down watching Bad Boys 2. That's the squash, asparagus, onion, bell pepper, broccoli, and I'm going to add some sweet peppers as well. That gives a little bit more color. There's the chicken. This is tenderizing. Next one is the shrimp. Okay, there's the chicken and shrimp. I cooked them separately. I cooked the chicken until it was done. Moved it from the pan. Add a little bit more oil. Then I added the shrimp with some garlic and some soy sauce and stuff. Cooked that until they were done. And when they were done, I combined all of it together and tossed it. And we're going to add it to this. The broccoli and butternut squash combination with the asparagus. So this is the meal prep for the week for her, and some of it's gonna be for me. When I do it, I'm gonna add some quinoa to mine. It's gonna be like a Mediterranean bowl or something. Maybe some quinoa and this, tomatoes, and something else on the side. Okay, that's her meal prep for the week. That's the shrimp, chicken. Underneath it's the vegetables and the little side salad of arugula. This is about, I'm thinking maybe three meals. She just has to divvy it up accordingly. And this is her one for tonight. This is 4 ounces of vegetables and 4 ounces of protein, believe it or not. That's shrimp and broccoli. It looks like a lot, but I just cut the chicken up really, really small. And it's about 4 shrimp. So that's her meal for tonight. And this is the meal for maybe 2 or 3 days. If she has to like 1, 2, 3, and just divvy up her protein the way that she wants. And she should be good for us dinner